Indoor plants are the best way to invite positive vibes to the home, and what could be better than the ones that are easy to maintain and also look wonderful? Here are the best indoor succulents that you must grow. Burro's tail. Native to Mexico, Burro's tail is best planted in hanging baskets due to its plump trailing stems. The beautiful gray-blue or gray-green leaves can grow up to 2 feet long. This plant does best when kept in a spot that receives bright sun. Zebra cactus. The zebra cactus is known for its striking appearance. It features white horizontal stripes on its dark green skin. This succulent thrives in well-drained soil and requires minimal water. Its unique pattern and low-maintenance nature make it a popular choice for indoor gardening. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a medicinal plant. The sap of this succulent has been used to treat sunburn and wounds for centuries. Apart from this, aloe vera is also a great indoor plant as it purifies the air too. Crown of thorns. Native to Madagascar, this plant can bloom throughout the year if it receives enough light. The long and spoon-shaped leaves appear at the end of its spiky branches, together with tiny flowers. The flowers are not noticeable because of their small size. Hens-and-Chicks. The Hens-and-Chick plants are another great succulent group of plants for indoor gardening. They form flat flower-like rosettes that have rounded edges. These plants need to be allowed to dry a bit between watering since overwatering can cause rotting. String of bananas. The trailing indoor succulent plant produces long tendrils of small banana-like leaves. The plant looks great when planted on its own and should be pruned regularly to grow thick and full. It also works beautifully in a pot containing other succulent indoor plants. Lithops. Lithops are unique small and inconspicuous succulent plants that look like stones or pebbles. Growing lithops is very easy and doesn't require much care. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus needs no introduction. It is one of the most beautiful succulent plants, and it looks good even without flowers. Ponytail palm. A ponytail palm is not a palm but a succulent, probably one of the most appealing houseplants and the best in large houseplants. Its water is stored in the swollen stem base, which looks like an elephant's foot. That's why it's also called elephant foot palm. Snake plant. The snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue is the most low-maintenance plant in this list of best succulent indoor plants, and it is well-deserved. This succulent plant can survive in the darkest of corners and requires very low maintenance. String of pearls. The string of pearls is an outstanding trailing houseplant, indoors when grown in hanging baskets. You can experiment to grow it in different containers. Like other succulent houseplants, growing a string of pearls or beads is no different. Panda plant. The silver-gray hair of this plant makes it look fuzzy, and the leaves are plump like other succulents and have rusty color on the edges. Like many other plants of the Kalanchoe genus, the plant forms flowers, too. However, they rarely bloom in indoor conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!